How's your gas station croissant?
Pretty bad, but it's only I've eaten all day, so it's not bad. But
It's probably the worst croissant I've ever had.
I wouldn't come back for it.
Look it, it's my new car. My Twizy. Look at it, super spacious. Electric camera will fit right back there. Well, that was perfect timing. Hello, Praiano. Welcome to our crib in Praiano, the Amalfi Coast. I mean, let's just get the good part out of the way. Hello. It is. Here's the little dining room. And very nice kitchen for anyone that wants to cook. Pantry. A massive collection of elephants. Check out all those elephants. I've never seen a collection this big. Insane. Pardon us, it's been lived in a little bit. There's the spare bedroom. One shower. Master bedroom. This might be my favorite part of the whole house. Giant master bathroom, and the shower was amazing. It's huge. Yeah, pretty awesome. We're headed to the Path of Gods trail north or above Praiano. It's supposed to be spectacular and ridiculously gorgeous. We just went up a ton of stairs. Now we got these guys. And they are way steeper than it looks. How you doing back there?
Dying slowly. Aging.
One foot in front of the other. Yes. Oop. Yay, we found it. So we're on the Path of Gods right now from Praiano, and that's Positano right there. Check it out. It's about a 15-minute drive from Praiano. Have you ever seen roots like that on a tree? Camera calls them koala roots, since that's my nickname. Oh, busted! Busted. You leave her alone, mister. That view, though. I guess this is why people hike this path. It's definitely godlike. Oh my gosh, look. It's Piggy Wiggly. He's spotted. So cute. What is your name? Check out his wall. We made it to Agarola. I'm sure I'm butchering that name. Down. We're on our descent. We're going on a boat on Friday. We'll see you later. Look alive, people. One false move, you tumble down the mountain. That's one strong root system you got there. I know what you're doing. Babe, look at all the burros.
I know.
Oh my god, they're so cute.
Burro factory.
I love them. Can we take them home?
Yeah. Yeah, we can.
There's little guys over there.
Yeah.
Hi. Hello. Yes. Oh, honey. Look at the baby burro. Look at him. He's right back there. Hi, little baby. Oh, you could have been so cute. Oh, you can come. Hi. Hi. You're so cute. I just can't even handle you two right now. You're so fucking cute. Well, that's not ugly. This is why people come here. We made it! Path of the Gods. Well, part of it. Was it worth it?
Yeah, very much.
Yes. You can get to it from Praiano and go up and over. You can actually go over towards Positano or towards the, what is it, Agrello? Agrello? Woo. We went to Agrello. Yep. So, smashed it. Thank you for blessing me, Father, on this holy corner. Yeah, amen. Are we there yet? We just want the food. Oh my god, there is lettuce in Italy. I mean, it's romaine and has like virtually no nutrients, but oh my god! Holy cannoli! I am on the back of Vespa right now. He talked me into doing it. Drive to Ravello, and I'm scared shitless because we both don't know what the fuck we're doing. So wish us luck. I want to ride a one piece. Either you are a Kiwi or some Italian fruit that we don't know about. I'm thinking it's the latter. I'm cold. We have an hour drive back to Praiano, Positano. Yes, you manhandle that beast. What you doing, babe? 3-point turn? Yeah, you're gonna have a long walk. Yes, it's fucking freezing. And we was on a motorbike. Ay, long day. There's a lot more action around here. Maybe we should have stayed here instead of Praiano. Hopefully we get home okay. Hear no evil. See no evil. Speak no evil. Little monkeys sitting on the wall. Good morning, or buongiorno. What are we doing?
I'm going out on the Adriatic Sea, the Mediterranean.
On an awesome yacht that a couple friends got for us for our engagement. So
Terrible hot sunny day.
right, and it's been horrible weather the whole week, and it kind of cleared up today. So
Crushing it.
yes, we're super excited to end our trip this way. We'll see you here in 2023. Hello, Capri. She said, let's go to Capri.
Yeah, she did. He said, the captain said, it's a little stormy out, a little wavy.
Maybe we should just go along the Amalfi Coast.
I said, maybe we should go do laundry afterwards.
Oh, we're gonna do laundry.
I'm a little wet.
Yeah, very wet. What happened, babe? Did you pee your pants?
Sideways, yeah.
Yeah, did you pee all over
All over
yourself?
myself. Adriatic shower.
Yeah, Adriatic shower. Woo! Look at this. Wow. Look how blue the water is. Thank you, you two. This is amazing. You're really tempting me. With my non-drinking sober journey. Might have to break it for this. Look at those scales! Ah, easy peasy. Maybe. I don't know. I didn't do it. Whoa!
We were banging that
Yeah, oh my god, a bang right on my head. We were like on the open seat. We're coming back to the Amalfi Coast from Capri, and it's bumpy as shit. This place is awesome. Look at this gnocchi. They eat it, and then we got these Calabrian peppers on the table. Then our penis oil. And then, wait, I thought you were gonna eat it.
I'm gonna put it all in here now.
Aww.
He brought me the scissors.
Boo. I thought you were gonna one bite it. Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm going to eat you now. Look at all your little bits are in my bowl. Okay, pistachio profiteroles. And we have a 7-course dinner coming up. Where is it all gonna go?
I don't know.
I think it might barf on the boat.
What are you doing right now? Oh! Ow! Ow!
It is sunny.
It is sunny. Where
Because
are
it's been
you?
so fucking windy.
Where are you?
We're at Capri.
We are pretty awesome.
Yeah.
You're looking pretty hot.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Put that in the bloopers.
Yeah. Yes, yes.
Bloopers.
Nick, put that in the bloopers. seat in the house. Casa Mille in Positano. Okay, look at this little leaf of, like it's edible. It looks fake. Chocolate mousse and coconut. I'm struggling to see what all the hype is about with the Amalfi Coast. We are in Praiano, and it is beautiful, all the little towns and the houses and being up on the hillside, but it's super unapproachable and there's nothing going on. There's no main squares, and every time you want to go see something, it's like you gotta hike a mountain. So, I don't know, it's a big thumbs down for me. It's very overrated. Goodbye, Praiano.